What if what you see isn't the whole story? What looks like a clean routine often hides daily struggles, silent until they strike. True cleanliness calls for a new standard. Now, let's break the norm with imagination. Reshape life through innovation and unlock new possibilities powered by intelligence. We are 3i. We're here to lead you into a cleaner, freer, and more joyful future. At 3i, 70% of us specialize in R&D, and we pour 100% commitment into every idea. We keep pushing boundaries until making the leap from 0 to 1. Every idea is built in our own hands, then shared with families worldwide. Forget dumping dirty water. Forget endless refills. Let 3i handle it all. It leaves nothing behind, reaching every edge with ease. It even cleans itself, so you don't have to. Always knowing where to go, it never crashes or gets stuck. It captures every bit, compressing debris and your cleaning workload. To 3i, innovation is all about looking ahead and solving what matters today, making cleanliness easy for everyone. 3i, first to the future.